Google Translate is a phenomena for the translation of illustration for the said program, which was set for you, and then at this time we're performing a very serious experiment with the litmus paper and the environmental destination. So here we have several things on the screen with a clear illustration of acupuncture. Now I'm going to take my time to enlarge this particular forum to an expense of a place where you could actually function beyond the optical horizon. We have several administration and institutional grounds which want us to do so many things for them, and I'm going to start with something very spectacular with my statement. So here is the Skype, and then we want to log in and then see some other features which we can actually demonstrate. But perhaps you see that hunger could be test, and then we could also do several things for manufacturing and production.